Right, so looking into some crude UV mapping. The downside about ABF UV unwrap and PLG UV unwrap is that well, you can take one of these guys and you can UV unwrap it, and that's fine. But once that is done, if you try to UV unwrap the other one, then that first UV map will be destroyed. That goes both for ABF unwrap and PLG unwrap, which is a damn shame, but that's how it is. So that's one problem. The other problem is that UV unwrapping in general is not that fun. But I'll look into crude UV unwrapping here because why not? These are small details, so that means that, well, I mean, I guess first of all, if you can, just use Atlas and create a UV map and you're done. But that doesn't always fly because you got, for example, here you got four parts for this one tube, which is not really that great. So yeah, you can see one, two, three, four, five-ish, I guess. So yeah, not that good. For other stuff, well, nah. Where did it work in a good way? Not that many places, I guess. So it works, but that's kind of like the last option, really, because you will always have a lot of splits. So, but then again, you know, maybe you could do that for certain objects, like for example this one. Yeah, not that bad. I mean, these guys are so small anyway, so maybe that could work. I guess it could, so you just make that work. Let's see, these guys, maybe you could use Atlas for those. It will have more stitching or stitches. Maybe something to consider for sure. But let's have a look at some more, a better UV unwrap, even that, though that is not what I'm going to show you is 100%, it's kind of like okay-ish for really small parts. Yeah. So, but like I said, ABF unwrap and PLG does overwrite that first UV you made, which is a real shame, really. But yeah, let's just go like this, so you can see the next move. Let's focus on this guy. And what I did, I merged those polygons. Those were tripled. You don't really want that. It's better to have a clean topology. While this is cylindrical object, it's not really fantastic in regards to UV unwrapping it in using cylindrical projection in the Y. Even though you align this cylinder on the Y and make it all good, it's not going to be nice because this is not going to work on this area right here. That area will not have a UV map like that, but like this. In other words, you'll fit no texture inside that area. That's why you cannot use cylindrical mapping for this one. For this one you can. But then again, is it worth it? Going here and rotating the object so that it stands on the Y angle? Not really. But okay, so let's have a look at this one, and we'll use ABF or PLG. And you know what, let's just go with ABF, I mean PLG for now. So we'll take that guy and loop it, and this guy and loop that, and lastly this and loop. ABF is really cool like that, it's easy to select the edges. Okay, so hit ABF and wrap, and it should be all good. Sort of. Okay, we can see that that's not great at all. Why is that? Honestly, I'm not quite sure. Damn it. Okay, there's a point selected. Why is that? Let's deselect that. So I'm not sure if that was the cause. Let's do this over again. No. Not really. So why is this happening? You know what? I don't know. Let's select the object and go like that, ABF and wrap. I think this must be a bug. I can't see any other solution, so to speak. Let's try to delete. So that's not cool at all. Let's try to delete this one. I'll just delete all of them. I don't know why, but maybe that could cause problems. I don't think so, but anyway. ABF and wrap. And there it goes. It's good. So yeah, be aware of that bug. I don't know why that bug happens, but in 11.6 it's clearly there. The problem now is that if I want to take, for example, this guy here and UV unwrap that, I can't because I already UV unwrap this one. So if I do that, if I UV unwrap this one, it will destroy that UV map. It will destroy this guy here, which is ridiculous. And that will happen in UV, PLG UV as well. So ABF will screw it up and PLG will screw it up. At least as far as I know. So what you got to do is, well, there are different ways going about it, but you could, I guess what I would do, or just think, yeah, what I would do, I would actually just take this one and send it to a background layer, and then be done with it. So yeah, this one, I got a plugin send to background, and it goes like that. So now this one is secure, hopefully, and let's see if that's true. So I'll take this one, I'll just loop it like that. This is what I mean by crude UV mapping. if this was not crude, then I would go like this and that, and continue doing this kind of stuff. But this is so small, I'm not going to bother being super accurate in regards to that. So yeah, I'll do that. That's this our seam, and we'll run ABFIU unwrap. That did take some time. No, okay, it's already finished. Cool. So yeah, you can see that's actually pretty good. And then what? Exactly, that's what you will do. You will send that to the background. So of course I got send that object to a background with a shortcut key. That's Control G, isn't it? Yeah. Let's see if the other one got destroyed or not. No, it's fine. So the other one, so the first one I have is intact. Thank goodness. So both of these are now intact. So yeah, that's kind of like the way you could go about this. Another thing is, do you really want to do this twice? Probably not. I mean, why would you do this twice? This side is the same as that side. So I would just go like this. And then I just get rid of it. Yeah, let's see, what did I, yeah, so this one, this here is not mirrored, so I need to just keep that one. But yeah, you kind of like get the idea on how you could go about this.